Y'all peep the sunlight today? Yo, YouTube, what's the deal? Your boy, People, Trill.
Knife on the stick, trying to get jiggy. They had found that boy alive, all of his body parts was missing. It's time to spin, let's go get busy. Bitch, I'm hanging out of the trunk, eat breaking BK, come through the tree.
Today is a kind of special day. It ain't all that, but I'm happy because the pet came in. I may be wondering, like, what pet? Yeah, pet came in. I'm feeling. Pack is my new shirts I'm about to drop. I ain't been posting about them because I wanted to do pre-made this time. And I just had to move my car. But
look at this dude.
Pet came in, but go ahead, crank it up, yeah, man. Did I need help? Bring a hard bargain, but no. But yeah, so. Yo, bro, I hope that's not on my neck. Oh, that's not cool, dude. It's not cool, dude. All right. We got the Magic Mouse tool. We got the Mizox. The box.
I'm ready.
To be honest, I want y'all to see. Hold on. I might be on something. Hold on, give me a second. We got the cocaine right here. I mean, we got the clothes right here. Crack this damn image on open. Fumbled. Hold on. I don't know what that was about. But yes. Y'all ready? First look. So this is basically a new color for the PTG Lips tee. It's the black version. I got this thing in my head where when I have different colors, I want it to be something different about the product. That's just my thing. I don't know why, it's just how I feel. But, so yeah. This is basically the black PTG Lips tee. Let me get it better. So this is it right here. Black PTG Lips tee. It's 230 GSM. It got a good weight to it. It ain't heavy, but it's like just right. Like you feel it on your body. You know what I'm saying? It's slight oversized. It ain't really crazy because I'm not really an oversized clothes fan, but like, it's Pete, you know what I'm saying? Like, got a paper trail with the lips kiss right there on the side, you know what I'm saying? That's why you know how I feel. This is kind of how I feel, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? In the back, really, bro. Dumb. But yeah, so, that's what we looking like, ladies and gentlemen. So, this time, when y'all order y'all shirts, they're gonna be smacked down right here. I don't even gotta worry about shipping times, none of that. As soon as you order, everything gets shipped out. 2 to 3 days max. I'm gonna do a photo shoot for them. Most definitely gonna probably record that session and then yeah, so new heat on the way. I also got a lot of other stuff that I'm working on. I got some fire shirts and fire hoodies and Jordan sets coming soon, so make sure I'll be on the watch for that. But that's in this video, rather short. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm working on right now. I've been working on a lot of stuff. It's gonna come to show soon. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and join PTG today. Bye, folks. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Skinny nigga, fat rack, stand the fuck up out the way. White rims inside my blunt, that bitch burning like some sage. No, I ain't doing shit for you if that shit don't get me paid. Bad bitch, she got her toes done and her edges slate.